Black men, I love you. You know why? Because black men have come out on TikTok to raise their voice to give their 2 cents of Mr. Telvin Osborne. And you know what? I don't want to say it for them. Let them say it for themselves.
So let me get this straight. Telvin Osborne family want us black people to get online and support what happened to him. And now you want the black community to get behind because you think she really killed him. This man said that he would rather fuck a dog than sleep with a black woman. But you want us to help him? Maybe he need to go to the go somewhere and find a lot of dogs to help him, with this. Maybe y'all need to go find the dogs of America and help them, support y'all for this case. Because us black people, we ain't helping y'all. Go find the dogs, though, since he'd rather do that with a dog. Maybe the dogs will help y'all out.
I just want to say that black man's life mattered to me until I seen his tweets. 10 years ago in 2015, he makes a post where it says white girls, greater than symbol, black girls. He also says that he would rather fuck a white dog. A white dog. A dog nonetheless, but a white dog than a black one. And then he gets unalived by a white one and we're supposed to feel so... Hell no. Hell no, that's not how it works. You like bleach blonde, bad built, butch bodies. No. We're not never gonna say that your life didn't matter because you were a black man. And at the end of the day, your life does matter. But hold on, black women, y'all do know that since y'all the first people that go to the front line, that y'all don't need to go to the front line this time, right? Y'all know that, right? Okay, I'm just making sure y'all know. But anyway, then his family get on here, y'all mad because he was inside of an interracial relationship. We do not care that he was with an albino leech that is built like a rectangular prism. It's the way that he acted towards black women that makes us say, well...
Some of y'all about to be real mad at what I'm about to say. Actually, a lot of my supporters are black women, so y'all probably gonna appreciate what I'm about to say. However, may this man rest in peace, but I'm gonna talk about what's been going on down my timeline. So, Telvin, or Telbo Rackens as he went by, was shot and unalived by his girlfriend on February 23rd. So apparently they went out to the club, came home, got into an argument. He ended up shot and unalived. And she said it was an accident because she was cleaning her gun and it discharged, which was later found out to be untrue. Now, the family is all over social media like, we need justice, wanting the black community to rally around and support. However, the problem is, one thing the internet is never going to let you do is forget who you really are and forget the shit that you say on the internet. Because this man made his whole identity about dating white girls. Like Twitter page, Team White Girls, all of that, every day. So the internet, because they messy and they like to let you know who you are a lot of the times, or who at least you put on the show to be, right? They start posting all his Facebook posts, his Twitter posts, and I think one of the posts said, I would rather fuck a dog than to fuck a black girl. Here's my problem, right? My audience is predominantly black women. Y'all know I'm hashtag protect black women all day, every day. But you did all of this chasing, and you chased it to glory. Now, y'all expect the black community and black women to support this man after the shit that, like, I don't even want to go into detail about the shit he was tweeting because it's ridiculous. And it's like the family like, oh, y'all in the comments being negative, yada, yada, yada. Nobody's being negative. They just letting you know that we ain't here for it. It's crazy because this is not the first instance of this that we've saw. Because remember, the white girl stabbed that African boy. The OnlyFans girl stabbed that African boy, her boyfriend. And his family wanted us to rally too because she was out at the bar the next night with a daddy. Same thing happened with him. He disgraced black women all down the timeline, and the internet didn't let them forget who the fuck he was. Now, let's be very clear, because they do that, and it puzzles me because black men who try to disparage and disgrace black women on the internet especially have black moms, sisters, cousins, grandmas, aunties, like the list could go on and on. So you seeing all of that, so is that what you really think about your Obama? And I'm going to go on record and say this, and I don't give a fuck who don't like it. We On Team D, rally for black women. And anybody who disrespects black women, may they rest where they lay, okay? Because when he was praising white women, ain't nobody step in and say, sir, you wrong. None of the family, nothing. Nobody was commenting. But not that one of them took him to glory, y'all confused as to why. We like, The black community has to stop being these backup plans for motherfuckers who put those others on a pedestal while trying to demean or belittle us. That man told us exactly where he stood in life. And in death, we are respecting his wishes. Call them white bitches you was praising.
Ladies and gentlemen, if you're new to my channel, hi, welcome. My name is Laskana S. If you're new here, I love you guys 20,000 of you. Mr. I don't want to say it though. I don't want to say it, but may his soul rest in peace. Even if some people don't want his soul to rest in peace, may his soul rest in peace. Because I tell you, on this world, we say things, we do things, but y'all, let me tell you, this is not an ATTACK on a black man. But I'm just trying to say, y'all, sometimes if you have a preference, not even sometimes, when you have a preference, it's okay. Like I've come here on the internet and said, I've been with a Chinese man, I've been with an Eritrean, I've been with a Ugandan, South African, white. It is okay to be with whoever you want to be with. But honey, coming on the internet and telling the entire world that you would rather sleep with a dog than a black woman, and still that dog better be white. Even his African ancestors, I'm sure when they saw that post, they fainted. Because baby, this is no longer about loving white women. Girl, honey, boo-boo. This is now you actually disliking your own people, like yourself. Like literally you're saying this in front of your mom, your mother. Because black women, they brought you into this world. Please, our brothers, when you are there, consider these things. You know, it's okay, have your preference, be with whoever you want. Of course, it's a free world. It's 2025. We can't be carrying on the rape to the cis narrative the whites created a long time ago. We are freer these days. And you cannot come on the internet and say you would rather F a dog than a woman who looks like your mother.
Oh, and as unfortunate as the Telvin Osborne situation is, the reason we can't get our knees to work to take a stand is because even if you didn't know Telvin Osborne before this situation, the internet won't let you live down the disrespect. The internet's gonna expose exactly who you was when you stepped on the platform from day one. And every single day that man dedicated to putting us black women down, and his family screaming justice. And unfortunately, the 92% will never be able to receive justice. Not even an apology. The fact you came from a black woman. And that same white dog that you chose to have intercourses with over having relationships with black women. Again, the situation is very unfortunate. But to take every breathing day of life to diminish your own kind. Oh, brother.
This is a message to the black community. Y'all better not be riding with Telvin Osborne. Now, we all heard 25-year-old Hannah Cobb was just arrested for involuntary manslaughter after allegedly shooting Telvin. But when I tell y'all what he said on social media about black women, y'all ain't gonna want to back this man up. This man was so disrespectful to the black community, so monstrous and atrocious to our black women. When I tell y'all what this man said he would rather have relations with a white dog than a beautiful melanated woman. And when he said that, he threw me off. I had to read the shit 3, 4, 5 times because I'm like, hold up. This is the man that was shot by Becky that we supposed to be backing and protecting. Rest in peace to Telvin. All lives matter. They really do. But when you sit up here and you throw stones at our community in order to fit in with theirs, and then some tragic shit like this happen, you gonna have to take your lick. I ain't lying. We not coming to support you at all. At all. And the shit really mind-blowing, because it's like, I can't believe this man really said this about beautiful black queens. This man said, with that post, you signed your death certificate. I ain't lying. So, y'all let me know what y'all think about this Telvin and Hannah Cobb situation, because I ain't supporting him. And you know I support my people, but I ain't supporting his ass. He said fuck us, so Slick side fuck him.
To that man who said he would rather commit ungodly acts to a dog, mind you, a white dog. Now that he is taking his eternal rest, the only thing I gotta say is, what is y'all having for dinner? Because I was thinking about a little piece of little baked chicken. I took my chicken out. It should be thawed by now. I don't know what kind of sauce I want to have. Back to that man who done went on to glory. He is in eternal rest. We can only hope that he is in a better place. May he rest well in his preference. But to have a digital footprint of you saying that you would rather commit ungodly acts on a dog, keep in mind, do not forget that the dog has to be white before you engage with a black woman is quite insane. But anyways, y'all, what we eating for dinner? Like I said, I took my chicken out. I think I'm gonna do, y'all think I should do brown rice or white rice?
Anyway, y'all tell me what you think in the comment section. Because people's opinions, they were not so kind to the deceased. People's opinions are not so kind to the deceased. And man, I guess we just gotta let people feel whatever they want to feel or say whatever they want to say, because they have a right to their own opinion on the internet.